In the late 1800s, the US government ran a place called the Dead Letter Office, a warehouse filled with undeliverable mail. It existed because there was no standard for home addresses. Letters were often addressed to John Smith, Ohio, or Jane near the courthouse. But for businesses, it was a nightmare. Their survival depended on sending out ads, catalogs, and notices, but millions of those sends piled up in the Dead Letter Office instead. Here's the thing about marketing. If you can't reach your audience, everything else is a waste. Today, marketers still launch campaigns hoping they land, without reliable data to know who to reach or how. Different era, same problem. Hightouch gives marketers the context they need to deliver their best work, all from a single source of truth. Customer data is synced across every tool. AI plans, analyzes, and automates so better campaigns get out the door 10 times faster. No wasted dollars, no missed audiences, no dead ends, or dead offices. Hightouch, marketing that actually works.